up, guys? It's girl Princess right here, back with another video. First off, I want to apologize for not posting last week, which I did post, but then I got a copyright thing, so I'm gonna have to do it over, like just pick different songs. I'm back this week, and today I'm gonna be I'm going to be unboxing the Pixel 3a. Yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing. It's just gonna be an unboxing of the Pixel 3a. In the future, I might do a update on the device and a comparison, because right now I'm using the iPhone 8, but I'm now going to be transferring to the Pixel 3a, obviously. So, yeah, I don't know, depending on how this video goes. So, let's get to it. Alright, guys, here it is, the Pixel 3a. I did get the purplish color, but I don't know if you guys can tell. That's the back, Team Pixel. Yeah, it's a pretty nice box, I guess. I don't really know, but let's open it. So straight away we have the phone, and it did come with the wrapper, but I took it off because my mom wanted to look at it. But yeah, here it is. This is the phone, purplish color. I'm gonna put that to the side for right now and see what else we got in here. Alright, we got the sticker for Team Pixel, and actually it's two stickers. It's the Google sticker and then Team Pixel sticker. That's pretty dope. And in here, let's see, we got some, oh yeah, my company is Verizon. Not my company, but my carrier is Verizon. So Verizon stuff, user guide, I don't know. I'm probably gonna need it eventually, but not right now. And then we have this. Oh, it's for the SD card thing, you know. You guys know, because put it SD card in, you know. Anyway. Alright, and then it comes with a cord. Okay. It's USB-C, I believe. And it's double-ended. So that's pretty dope. I don't know. And then it also has one second, this is actually kind of hard to get out. How the heck did I get this out? Alright, okay, here we go. A USB adapter, USB-C adapter. USB-C adapter, so like you can plug it in. Or, I mean, no, I think this is for the block, yes. This is a fast charging block, lightning bolt, fast charging block. And you just stick that in, and then you can use it for other things, I believe. That's pretty dope. It's definitely pretty helpful. So yeah, these are the things that it comes with. So let's look back at the phone. It's pretty, it's actually really light. I now understand why people are saying this feels cheap. And I personally don't think it feels cheap, but it does feel lighter. Like, it is made out of plastic. It doesn't feel premium, I guess. But it definitely doesn't feel cheap. And it comes with the accent color, power button, fingerprint scanner, the camera, flash. And it feels really nice. The matte right here, then the glass, even though it's not glass, it's plastic. And then the screen, it does already have fingerprints, but no worries, because I have one of these thingies on it. And yeah, it's a pretty good feeling phone, I believe. And let me power it on. I don't have a SD card, not an SD card, a SIM card in it, but yeah, that's what it looks powered on. And yeah, so that's pretty dope. That's pretty much everything, so that's pretty dope. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's for the unboxing anyway. This isn't a really long video, but so far this feels like, that's upside down. This feels like a really good phone, I think. And I don't know if you guys can tell, probably not because of the lighting. Oh, when I'm looking at it like this, it looks purplish, but when I look at it like this, it looks white. But I think the white one comes with the orange power button, and this is green, if you guys can tell. But I think it's a pretty good phone. So I'm gonna use it, test it out, and see if I would like to continue to be a Pixel lover. And if I do, it's great, and if I don't, that's okay. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll definitely try to do better at posting, and yeah. But okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, if you guys like this video, like it, and if you loved it, prove it by subscribing, because you know I would definitely love that. But also go check out my mom's videos, and I'll put the link in the description. You guys should totally go check out her videos and subscribe to her, because she's an amazing person. She has amazing stories, and she likes sharing those stories, so you guys should totally go check that out. And I will see you guys hopefully next week, and if I don't, I'm really sorry, but I promise I will get better. Alright, bye! Oh, that hurt.